In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Klaviyo password. This process is straightforward and takes just a few clicks, ensuring your account remains secure and up to date. So, let's dive right into it. Starting from the Klaviyo homepage, you'll want to locate the profile icon. It's situated conveniently in the lower left corner of the screen. Take a moment to glide your cursor over there and give it a click. This will open up a menu with some options related to your account. Next, from this menu, you'll need to click on Settings. This is where most of your account preferences and personal information can be managed. Once you're in the Settings section, look for the tab labeled Personal. Clicking on this option will take you to a page filled with your personal details and preferences associated with your account. Now, let's focus our attention specifically on the Login Password section. You might need to scroll down just a touch to find it. This is where you have the option to both review and update your password. Anytime you want to change your password, it's crucial to ensure you're replacing it with something secure. A mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters is often recommended. Once you've found the correct section, you'll be required to enter your current password. This step is important as it confirms your identity. You'll then need to type in your new desired password. Remember, Klaviyo requires you to confirm this new password as well, so be prepared to type it a second time to ensure there are no typos or errors. Consistency is key here. Both entries should match exactly. After you've carefully entered and confirmed your new password, the final step is to hit Save. By doing this, you're officially updating the password associated with your Klaviyo account. If there are any errors, such as mismatched passwords, the system will usually notify you so you can address them immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Klaviyo account password. Regularly updating your password is a good habit to enhance security, and now you know precisely how to manage it yourself. Remember to keep this information safe and secure, sharing it with only those you trust if necessary. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Klaviyo's support team or consult their extensive help resources. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.